Hello, welcome to Systemationals. I hope that you are well. In the previous video, I have covered the function interface. It contains only one abstract method that is apply, and it contains also two default methods, and then uncompose. And we have made example for this. Today I will show you the static method inside this interface. What is this static method? It is identity. What we do this method? If I tell you what we use for this only, yes, you will see identity. The purpose of this method is to give, when you give him some parameter, some input parameter, it will return the same thing. I know. It is method what it does. This is the method identity. Okay? So, I repeat, this method identity, this is static, and what you give him in the input parameters, it will return the same thing. Okay? What you give him in the input. For example, I have create function with string parameter, input parameter, and I will return string. Okay? F. Here what I will do, function interface with a name interface dot identity. Okay? And now, if I make string str true, for example, I have the first string, my first string, equal f dot apply Faisal. What is this string? What it contains? It contains the same thing what I have given in the parameter input. So the result will be, if I make system.println str, I will get Faisal also. Okay? Okay? Have you understood? I got the same thing because I have called identity. But I have put in the input parameter, I will get it. Okay? So simple like this. So let's see the execution for this program. Simple program before to continue. Let's go. So let's see how to use identity. Okay, so I create a very quick class identity function, very quick, and I just create this one very quickly. Tag. Okay, and I import, make an import. And now I create my function string if it is function dot identity. Okay, it's only one identity like this. And now if I make string name is f.apply of Faisal, and I will make system.out.println name, normally I will get Faisal. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Do you see? The same thing. It's very so simple like this. If I make here, for example, int I equal, or integer what you want, equal 15, yes, integer, it is the problem, yes, because it's string here. So let's change integer Okay, and here I will got 15. Let's see. Do you see? The same thing. So I have covered all the method that it contains in the function interface, and I will close this predefined function interface. And in the next topic, inshallah, I will show you another predefined functional interface, that is consumer. Okay? Thank you a lot of brothers and sisters who have followed this course until this moment. Like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and take care of your health. It's very, very important. It's the first thing. Don't forget also to practice. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.